Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video I am going to be trying to do a 2-week budget for meals. So I recently wrote down in my new print off that I did for work. I did a calendar, or not even a calendar, I did just something like this, which is for 2 weeks, Monday through Sunday. So I did breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Luckily, where I'm back at work and I'm only having to do lunches for myself, and then of course for dinner for everybody. So what I'm planning to do is like buy things for like breakfast that's gonna stretch, and then of course like buy things for dinner and then try to have leftover to take for lunch the next day. So if you are new to my channel, I welcome you, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I definitely have already pre-filled this out as I took time to sit down and get that done. What I am going to do now is put it into my Canva, where I have shown you guys before basically what it is that I am meal planning. So with that being said, prime example here is the meal planning page. As you guys can see right here, it is just Monday through Sunday, the same way that I printed it out on the paper. Okay, so as you guys can see here, I already have all of my stuff filled out. Sorry, I need to go this way. Now what I would want to do is go on to the Kroger app or just to the website and just basically like make sure I have everything for each meal. Notice how on Fridays I've said that we eat out at work, so I do not take anything that day. And then of course I always try new things. On the side here lately I've just been putting meals that I could redo, or like meals of like stuff that I already have here just in case something goes wrong here. So like prime example, I have Mandarin chicken, and then I have rice already here, and I have hamburgers here. So in case something goes wrong, I'm able to like tend to one of those, which was what I did on the side for that one. And notice how like on the side for this I didn't put anything. Okay, so really quickly, I have already went ahead and put everything, and I mean everything that I'll need for these 2 weeks into my cart on Kroger. I have clipped all the coupons that I can use on this order. So right now my total is sitting at $150. Remind you, I said for those 2 weeks I want to do a budget of $260. So I will think of just some extra things that need to be added on to get up to that $260, just to, you know, say that I used it. So I did add on minced garlic, garlic powder, onion powder, chocolate chips. And then I also added on one more thing. I can't remember what it was, but it's just stuff that I needed around the house that I've used up lately that needs to clearly be gotten rid of. So like I said, I'll add some more things on. It'll probably be like snack wise, and then I'll go from there, and then I'll show you guys my haul. Okay y'all, so I am here to pick up my pickup order from Kroger. I just put the order in this morning because I was ready to come and get it. So I just left my staff meeting and now I'm out here at Kroger. I have about 20 to 25 minutes to get back home to Cam to get him off the bus. So hopefully it won't take long. Also, I just need to grab some gas while I'm here because I'm literally sitting on E. Alright, so I got my order. It took forever, of course, but y'all, when I say I did about 45 to 50 and a 20, I ain't even gonna say it, to get my home and get my groceries. So I'll show you guys everything that I got once I get home. But this is gonna last me for 2 weeks, and I was able to stay under budget and only have to spend $248. There was basically just two things that were out of stock, but it was what it was, which was good. It was my cinnamon toast little waffle things. I'll show you guys those here. And then of course my turkey bag so that I could do a seafood boil for dinner tomorrow. So like I said, stayed within budget, so I'm very happy about that. Here are the drinks that I picked up from the grocery store for the 2 weeks. So I got some Minute Maid juices, orange juice, Kool-Aid jammers, and of course some of the Big K sodas that were on sale for $1 in grape, strawberry, Dr. K, and orange. For breakfast for the first week, I have Toaster Street treats that come in blueberry, strawberry, and cherry. I bought 2 boxes of cereal, so Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Reese's Puffs. I think it was like take $1 off each. And then also the bread for the toast with jelly, cinnamon French toast, and then of course cereal for the weekend or weekday, and then Pop-Tarts. So that's for week 1. Breakfast for week 2 will be the cereal, which is whatever's left over. Of course, it will also be the yogurt tubes, and I also have applesauce pouches. Here are the apple strawberry applesauce pouches, apple cinnamon, and then I was going to make some banana nut muffins on my bananas. Are right here. So this is all for week 2 for breakfast, and if I have bread left over, then I'll do some stuff for myself then. All right, week 1 lunch is for air fryer biscuits. So I have biscuits, Kobe Jack sliced cheese, the ham, and then also with the ham it is for sandwiches and chips. So I bought Lay's classic chips. I also have cup ramen noodles, which is the 2 chicken, and I think I have 1 more beef, so probably 2 of each. And then I also bought the beef ramen noodles that you put in on the stove. And then I also have the tuna fish kit here, which is really a good go-to. And then of course grilled cheese for the kids. So I already have the cheese. That's why I have 2 loaves of bread. And then I already have the tuna fish barbecue pack, so I didn't need to get that. I also got stuff for quesadillas, so tortillas and the mozzarella shredded cheese. Whatever's left over of these and this for next week. And then I'll show you guys all the stuff for dinner and just the odds and ends. Let's see, for Monday I got 2 pepperoni pizza Lunchables. Tuesday is Sloppy Joe, so I got Sloppy Joe sauce in the can, and then the broccoli and some sliders. Sloppy Joe goes much better on the sliders. Here's the meat. This is the 3-pound, so I'm using this for 3 different things: Sloppy Joe, tacos, and spaghetti. I got hot dogs and french fries. So I do have hot dog buns, the Oscar Mayer original hot dogs, and then just some french fries here. Pork chops and gravy is for Wednesday. That's already here, so I didn't need to get that. Hot dogs and french fries is Thursday. Pizza and mandarin oranges. Mandarin oranges are already here. Didn't get more, but I did get 2 pizza crusts along with the pizza blend cheese. Saturday is air fryer crescent dogs, so I got another thing of hot dogs along with the crescent dinner rolls, and then stuff to make tacos. So I have the nacho cheese taco kit, 2 tomatoes, mild cheddar cheese, shredded iceberg lettuce. Alright, and then stuff to make the cheese quesadilla. I've already showed you guys. Chef Boyardee, so I did get the mini ravioli, and the other one is spaghetti and meatballs. And then mandarin orange chicken and rice is in the freezer, so I did not need to get that. the big roll for spaghetti, and the sauce is right here. I like to get the chunky garden combination kind, where it has like the carrots, onions, and tomatoes and green peppers in it. I already have the noodles, so I did not need to get that. Fish is in our deep freezer. Cube steak is in the deep freezer. I just have to make the gravy. So I did buy the butter noodles to go with it. These are the medium egg noodles. So cube steak I have an abundance of, which is in the freezer, and then chicken and dumplings. So I got the chicken, 1 pack of the chicken here for chicken and dumplings, and the cream of chicken soup, and carrots, celery. Yes, found it. Okay, so then I got the celery for that as well, and the Texas toast for the spaghetti. Got milk for the week. Also making empanadas. I already have the disc, so I did not need to buy any more. So I got the sofrita tomato base. This has green peppers, onions, cilantro, and garlic and olive oil. And then the second pack of chicken is for that. I had to pick up some Old Bay seasoning, just like a little small one, some onion powder to replenish what I basically ran out of, as well as garlic powder. I ran out of those. I also picked up, just as extra, some onion soup and dip mix, which is used for cube steak, and then two more of the cream of chicken, so that makes 4 total. These are only $1, and then another thing of biscuits for the chicken and dumplings. Eggs for the week to use for whatever, brushing the air fryer biscuits, to go with sandwiches, stuff like that. Alright, so here are my items that basically just didn't meet the cut of breakfast, lunch, or dinner. But I have the ultimate Caesar salad. I told y'all if it don't have the spices in it, it's not the right one. I also got a cucumber to prep up some, bless you, to prep up some salads. And then I got some grapes just as a snack, take for lunch, blah, 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 blah. Semi-sweet chocolate baking chips. I ran out, so needed some more. I bought Sky the Skinny Pop popcorn. This is white cheddar flavor. She said she liked this, so I bought it. 1 thing of ketchup. I also bought the pumpkin spice coffee creamer. This is just a seasonal addition. I also got the vanilla coffee creamer. This is French vanilla, light corn syrup, minced garlic. Of course, gotta have that. And I just bought this as a knick-knack, whether it be for lunch at work or lunch on the weekend at home. Top ramen beef flavor. These ones are ready in 3 minutes, and they're actually really, really good. I also got some grape tomatoes, like I said, to prep up some salads. And then I got the Smucker's Uncrustables peanut butter and grape jelly, and then peanut butter and strawberry jam. Those could be like a snack for the kids or an afternoon type of thing. Got some granulated sugar. I got the chewy dipped chocolate chip granola bars. Sky likes those for breakfast. And then I got some 100% pure pumpkin, as well as some mini vanilla wafers, and some flour. I also got 5 or 4 Granny Smith apples. Yeah, 5. And then 2 regular red apples. And I honestly think that was it for this haul. So if you've enjoyed, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what out of the haul you are thinking about trying, and also letting me know how you think my budget went.